Hi everyone, thank you for joining us today. In this video, we're going to be reacting to another song from Aurora. All right, so if you've been following us for a minute, you know that we absolutely enjoy Aurora's performance over here. And I read the comments and I can tell how devoted the fans are as well, and in trying to kind of guide me into getting the right songs and the right sort of places to get the best performance that Aurora's put through in recent years. So thank you so much to everybody that has been commenting in the comment section below. Your Blood is one that's just come out recently, so we're reacting to the visualizer. I think by the time I'm reacting to this, it would have been just under 2 weeks that the songs come out. So let's check this out. Without any further ado, let's go.
Your blood, what matter is it made of? Do you feel it travel in and out your heart? Needles stitching up the big holes. You prepared for battle as you fell apart. Are you your voice drowning in the white noise? Do you hear the echo begging you to let go? This earth, whoever was it made for? Just wait until tomorrow. It might not be as cold.
Is she doing the backup herself as well? Does anybody know? Is she doing the backup as well? Like this one. I refuse to die. I refuse to die. But I refuse to die. I refuse to die. We are this is very, very upbeat, isn't it? Compared to what we know of, or what I know, not what we know, because I'm sure that a lot of people know more than I do. This is very upbeat, isn't it?
What matter is it made of? Do you feel it travel in and out your heart?
Okay. Okay. That's this is not the this is not the Aurora I'm used to. It's usually slow, but I'm really looking forward to the video of this coming out, actually, because I really want to see how she transforms from this person into this music. I'm really, really looking forward to it. Um, I was just trying to check out the lyrics just now of the song, and it's saying, the first verse, it says, "Your blood, what matters it's made of. What matter is it made of? Do you feel the travel in and out of your heart? Needless switch up the big hole. You prepare for battle as you feel apart, as you fell apart, as you feel apart. Terrible, terrible spelling. You could tell. Are you dust? Are you dust? Are you dust? You are dust, rather. Dust. Okay. So is it talking about, so the idea I can get here is that, is it that, my understanding, is it the recognition of human fragility that we're talking about here, or human existence? I can see, because before this song came out, I follow Aurora on Instagram, and also on YouTube, and there was something that came out where she was saying, she doesn't know if it's the right time to post this song, but having listened, if you're not listening to the words or picking up the lyrics, you can kind of see that how can people be happy in a time where there is war in different places? Close to home here, you've got Ukraine and Russia and stuff like that. You could see that, but even then, you've got the new one that's just started. If you're listening to the beat on its own, people can't be happy. However, if you unpick the lyrics itself, you, I think you can make that fit. I think you can. When we're talking about human fragility, I think that fits into the current time, because at the end of the day, we are all dust. Why are we putting ourselves through all of the trauma and drama that we're putting ourselves through, rather than trying to work together to ensure that we can build a better world? I think looking at it from that angle kind of creates more of a need for a song like this. That's me. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section below what you think about it. I need to stop talking about how long my videos are taking now and start taking action to make sure I try and reduce it. Um, and if you want to hear more from us, do feel free to check out our podcast and the YouTube channel that's linked to the podcast. I always tend to leave um, episodes that are coming out in the community chat. So feel free to check that out. It comes out every Friday at 6 p.m. Let me know your thoughts on this song, and also continue to leave your recommendation, and I'll react to them as quickly as possible. Until next time, people, you guys make sure you look after yourself and you stay safe. It has been Kings. Peace.